Hello, welcome to my Excel lecture video. In this tutorial, we want to see how we can conditionally format our top 3 and bottom 3 cells. Let's get started. Now for this, we're going to use the large and the small array function. Now the large function returns the k10th largest value in a data set, and the opposite is the small. So let's get started. Now I'm going to select all my data, because that's the first rule of conditional of formatting in Excel. Then having select my data, come to conditional formatting, and I'm going to click on new rule. So I'm going to click on use a formula to determine which cells to format, and of course in the format values where this formula is true, then I'm going to enter my formula. So I'm going to say, okay, if this value here, which is cell C2, so I'm going to remove the $sign in front of row 2. So I'm going to press F4 key 1 2. Then I'm going to say if it's greater than or equal to, then put in the large. So the first argument for the large function is the array. So this is going to be my array. All is going to be in absolute, which is fine. Then comma. So the second argument, which is the k. So for my k, I want to see the top 3. Then I'm going to close my large. Then want to set our format. Now let's quickly bold and italicize. These are just coloration. Then let's make it to be red. So click OK and click OK. Now we can see that we have the top 3. However, we have 4. Okay. Now the reason is simply because in rule number 9 we have 41,040, and in rule number 19 we have the same value. So that is why we have 4 instead of 3, because these values are similar, they are the same. Okay, no problem about that. So let's do the small again. We select all the data, come to conditional formatting, and of course new rule, use a formula to determine which cells to format, and of course here. So for this, I'm going to check this value again. We are going to remove the $sign in front of row, and I'm going to say, okay, is it smaller or equal to? Then I'm going to put in the small function, and of course the first argument, which is the array. We're going to select all our array, then comma, I want to see the bottom or the smallest 3, then close our small. We set our format. Let's do the same thing, bold and italicize. Let's make it to be yellow. We click OK, and we click OK. Now we can see that we have the smallest bottom 3, which is this one, this, and this value. I hope you enjoy my video, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and bye for now.